Hey, what's up everybody? It's PO. We're going to do this quick video right here to determine the draft order. No need to worry about being last. Anytime I do a video for this kind of thing, I solidify myself in the 10 spot or last spot, whatever the case may be. So no worries. 10 is held down. You'll be battling for 1 through 9. Chris Stump Lindbergh will probably get 1 because he is the luckiest SOB on the planet. So, here we go. We're going to move over to the random dice roller. We'll go to the list first. Me, Brian, Dolata, Stump, Derek M, Jeremy, Jordan. I wish I knew Jordan a little better. I could say I didn't know we had 2 girls in the group and just 1. Anyway, Hyatt, Ryan, and Sarah. We're going to go over here and randomize the dice. Has to be a 4 or higher. 7. Lucky number 7. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I forgot to mention on the roll before I'm usually first. Oh, terrifying. I am 5th. Sarah is first. You can see we've rolled 6 times. We're going to roll 7 times. Here is the 7th and final roll. Ugh. Ryan at first, Stump at second, Brian third, Hyatt fourth. I am 5th. I apologize, guys. No idea how that happened. Derek M at 6. God, I hate being right in the middle. Sarah at 7. Jordan at 8. Dolata at 9. And Jeremy at 10. Jeremy, if you would like to swap 5 for 10, please hit me up. We may have to discuss something. Anyway, there we go. We are done. Back over here. I'm going to type in done just so you guys can see me doing it. And I'm out. See ya.